Hello there! How to Facebook business account remove on Facebook any page. I will show it today in this video. Facebook is a popular social media in this present time, therefore, many people present different types of content on Facebook through the presentation page. So having a Facebook business account is very important for its secret. And in today's video, you will see how to add and delete business account on Facebook page, so you can watch the full video without dragging it. Let's start it. At first, you will open a browser. Then click on the search option, write Facebook, Business Account. Then it will be like seeing the page. Then you will do the job. Click on the left side button, then click on Business Account. Then click on the Business Settings, wait for sometimes loading page, and open Auto New tab. It will be like seeing the page. After zoom it and click on the left side button of Page It. After the next time, it will be like seeing the page. From here, you selected your page, which you want to delete your Facebook page on business account. I want to remove this page, Thugs of Sherpa. Click this page, after zoom it and click on the top right side button and click remove option, then your Facebook page successfully remove on your business account. At the same time, if you want to add any page on your business account, then show middle add button. Next, click on add a pages. Enter search your page. I want to add my same page, Thugs of Sherpa. So I search my Thugs of Sherpa. If you want to add your page, then search your page name, it's enough. I find my page, click this page and click on add page button. Finally, my page is successfully added on my business account. If you want to add and remove Facebook page on your business account to follow the way, very easily you can remove and add your Facebook page to the business account.